This is the 2022 Barletta 22UC Tri-Toon. So this Tri-Toon is powered by a 150 horse Mercury command thrust with a stainless steel prop. Got the extended deck in the back here with the chains that go across. Keeps it feeling kind of nice and airy, open back here. This is the Ultra Lounge. So you can kind of see it's in a lot of different positions right now, but you can lounge facing forward, you can sit facing forward, you can sit facing off of the back. You can even pull this, put the other seats flat and lounge off of the back. And then you can also turn this into a complete bed if you want. So really, really neat design there. Turning around, looking at the captain's helm area, you have the Lowrance 5-inch hook GPS. That's a fish finder, depth finder, temperature gauge, and GPS all in one. Power canopy is standard. There's your power top for your bimini. That's standard on all Barlettas, and you do have a 10-foot top on this thing as well. You have USB charging stations, dual USBs at the co-captain's chair. You have one at the corner of the Ultra Lounge as well, and you have one at the captain's helm, and you have another one up front. So you have a total of 8 chargers on this thing for your devices. Pretty neat. Front loungers do come with armrests and removable cup holders. Food and water bowls built in to all Barlettas. For the dogs there, the pets on the boat with you. You do have a trash can built into the lounger as well. Just open that right up, and you got a nice convenient spot for a trash can. Huge ski tow lockers on these Barlettas. Massive lockers, one of the biggest in the industry for sure. Plenty of room, about a foot in that way and a foot in towards the front too you've got. So tons of room there. But really nice boats. Barlettas are incredibly well built, super heavy duty underdeck structures, and really quality fit and finish, as you can see on these boats here. But come on in and check out the 2022 UC Tri-Toon over here at SkipperBud's Marina, Lake Fenton, and we'd be glad to get you on the water today.